Okay guys, so this is the third day after I did the change of the fitting for the transmission pump. So I haven't seen any kind of leak under my car, nothing like that, which is amazing. So let's check the oil. It used to always be empty when I opened it. Now it's halfway where the cold is supposed to be, so it's perfect because the car is cold. Right. So that shows us that it worked. I'm looking down in here. You can't see it too much because it's too light out here. But there is no leak down there at all. It's perfect, no leak. I can drive. Car still has trouble going in reverse. I'm not sure why. Maybe that's another kind of problem, but at least now my transmission is not running dry anymore. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that's an easy fix.